Let's be real for a second. Most people aren't broke because they're lazy. They're broke because they're distracted. They've got 15 different tabs open in life. One minute they're starting a YouTube channel, next it's Amazon FBA, then it's AI prompts, and then some how to make $500 a day PDF. But no matter how much they start, they never actually finish. They're always dabbling, but never actually building. And look, I've been there. Watching every guru, consuming every bit of content and thinking, this is it, this is the thing that will finally change my life. But what I didn't realise was that information isn't the problem. The problem is execution. And motivation is great at getting you to take that first step. But motivation is temporary, which is why so many people give up and move on to something else. Because once that motivation wears off, there's nothing driving them forward in order to take that next step, and then the next, and then the next. So in this video, I'm going to give you the massive action formula. This is how I went from stuck in the grind of life to operating like a high-level entrepreneur. It's the same formula that helped my clients quit jobs that they hated, hit their first 10k months, and finally break free of the endless cycle of starting over. Now, I've also gone one step further. I haven't just made a video about this. For the past 3 years, I have been turning this formula into a book, which is now for sale on Amazon. We'll cover the basics in this video, and I'll leave a link to the book in the description. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. The truth is, you already know what to do. You've watched the videos, bought the courses, and downloaded all the templates. But knowing isn't doing. Most people get caught in a loop. They learn about something new, they get all excited about it, they hit a bit of resistance, and then they quit. Then repeat the whole process over and over again. I call it micro-quitting. It's when you don't fully quit, but you slow down just enough to sabotage yourself. And this is what keeps people stuck in mediocrity. Because mediocrity doesn't feel painful. It's not failure, it's comfortable disappointment. And if you're not careful, you'll get really good at being busy but never actually build anything that gives you freedom. Massive action isn't about doing more. It's about going all in on less. That's how you get out of the trap. So let me break it down step by step. This is the exact system I used to rebuild momentum when I was stuck. You need to be clear on where you want to go, because you can't hit a vague target. Most people set goals like, I want more money or I want freedom. That's not a goal, that's a wish. You need something tangible like, I want to make 3k a month online in 90 days. Or I want to close my first 5k client this month. Or maybe I want to replace my job income in the next 6 months. Now you've got clarity, something real for you to chase. This is where a lot of people fail. They start with affiliate marketing, then they jump to Amazon FBA, then it's faceless YouTube channels, then coaching. And because they're switching it up every few weeks, they never build up momentum in one thing. The same applies to offline businesses, but with these, people might not jump from one to another. Instead, they get set up, which is a stressful process. Then, once they're up and running and have a flow of money coming in, they get stuck at that comfortable level. So they never take the risk to scale the business. Pick one model, one strategy, and then scale up from there. For example, if you're building an online business, then I would recommend either using affiliate marketing with short form content or starting high ticket closing using a simple funnel along with a DM or call script. Whichever you choose, just commit to it for 90 days. No bouncing, no second guessing, just relentless action. Now you don't need 18 hours a day of solid work. You need 1 hour of real focus, done consistently. So set your daily minimums. Make 1 short form content video per day. Send 20 outbound DMs, spend 30 minutes of high value learning or system building. Just get this done daily, period. If you do that and stick with it, then here's what happens. After 7 days, you feel momentum starting to build. After 30 days, you see proof that your efforts are actually working. And after 90 days, you're killing it and you're starting to scale up. It will start slowly, but you need to remember that your efforts are going to compound over time. Okay, so here are the 3 most common mistakes that will kill your progress and how to fix them. First mistake, consuming instead of creating. YouTube can be a really powerful tool, but if you're watching 20 hours of content a week and still haven't built your first funnel or shot your first video, then you're not building, you're just binging. You need to watch with intention and consume only what solves your next immediate problem. The second common mistake is comparing yourself to others. You see someone crushing it online, making 100k months, driving Lambos and flying in private jets, and you think, why am I not there yet? Well, the truth is, they're on chapter 20 and you're on chapter 2. You might be seeing them living the life that you want to live, but you're not seeing the years of hard work that's gone into getting them to that point. You will get there, but you don't do it by comparing yourself to others. You do it by competing with yesterday's version of you. And last, the most common mistake is waiting for the perfect time. You tell yourself, I'll start when I have more time, more money, more clarity. But there's never going to be a perfect time. Just start, build fast, and then improve over time. Imperfect action beats perfect delay every single time. Okay, now let's get tactical. If you're starting from 0 and you want results fast, this is the game plan you should go with. Start with affiliate marketing combined with short form content. Why? Because there's no product to create, no team to build, and no tech headaches or programming knowledge needed to set it all up. You can grab a proven product like the one in my starter pack. You can set up a simple 2-page funnel and create short videos that drive people into it. This works like crazy right now, especially on TikTok, Reels and YouTube Shorts. And if you want the whole system done for you, well, it's inside my free affiliate starter pack. The link to that is in the description below. Then stack that with high ticket closing. If you want to earn big money fast, then learn to sell. You don't need to be a salesperson, you just need a system in place and a rock solid script to follow. You can close 2k to 10k deals straight from your DMs or your phone, just like I did. This is how I closed my first 10k deal in under 30 days with no brand, no audience, and no ad spend at all. If you want the script that I use to do this, it's in the description below, and again, it's completely free to download. Alright, here's what you need to do right now. Get clear on your 90-day goal. Forget 5-year plans at this point. What's the next meaningful milestone that you want to hit? Next, choose your stack. Pick one path, either affiliate marketing and short form content or high ticket sales. Then commit to it. I recommend doing both, but you need to just start with one and go all in on it. Then layer in the other once you're set up and everything's working. Next, download the tools. You don't need to build from scratch, just grab my free affiliate starter pack or use the high ticket sales script if that's your route. Finally, execute daily. This is how you get results in 2025. Not with magic, not with luck, but with massive focused action. Now, if this video hit you in the chest a little bit, then good. It's not meant to entertain you, it's meant to move you. This is your wake-up call, your reset button, your clean slate. So if you're ready to go all in, download the free affiliate starter pack right now. It's linked below. It's got a funnel, emails and content plan all done for you. And if you want the exact script I used to close my first 10k deal in under 30 days, then download it free. The link to that is also below. And if you want the full playbook, the mindset, the strategy and daily actions that build financial freedom, then grab my new book, Massive Action, Your Guide to Financial Freedom. It is out now on Amazon. The link to that is also in the description. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to start today. Finally, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.